Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on your personal computer. We'll go through the process of setting up an Android emulator that doesn't require hardware virtualization, allowing you to enjoy the game with keyboard and mouse controls. This method provides a larger screen experience and precise input for better gameplay, enhancing your overall gaming performance. First, you'll need to select an Android emulator that offers a compatibility mode, meaning it can run without needing hardware virtualization enabled in your computer's BIOS. Look for emulators that specifically mention support for software rendering or a non-VT mode. Download its installer directly from the official website to ensure you get the legitimate and latest version available. After downloading, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install the emulator on your PC. Once installed, launch the emulator. It will guide you through an initial setup, which might include signing in with a Google account. Crucially, navigate to the emulator's settings and ensure that any hardware virtualization or acceleration options are disabled or that it is set to a compatibility mode. Now, open the Google Play Store inside your emulator. Search for Brawl Stars and proceed with the installation, just as you would on an Android phone. Once the game is installed, launch it. Before diving into a match, take a few moments to set up your keyboard and mouse controls using the emulator's key mapping feature. This customization will give you a significant advantage in gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.